Here we are demonstrating how to process milk using fire. So this milk will be boiled up to somewhere 70 degrees centigrade and then cooled and then changed into another product. So Alice and Mercy are in the kitchen and they are trying to show how many small-scale farmers in this area process their milk for home consumption. Now, Alice and Mercy, you can now start. So they're measuring 5 liters of milk because that's the amount that they want to boil and then process it. Now, all that amount of milk is about, how many liters is that, Mercy? 15 liters. So all these 15 liters will be subdivided into small amounts of 5 liters and then will be boiled in the fireplace. So you can see they're drawing milk on 1 liter measurement container, and then they are passing it through a sieve onto a sufuria. So that is now 5 liters. They have counted 5 times. Then they are transferring it now to the fireplace. And the fireplace is a place with using the biogas. So now they are lighting and then they put on the biogas. Okay. So they are now doing with the biogas, and then they want to make sure that the fire is lit properly. Okay. So now the milk is on the fireplace and it's boiling, and you can see how the biogas is really boiling the milk. Okay. Now we have to measure how long it will take, and Mercy will also check the time, maybe using the phone. Okay. So in the village, when you ask for the time, people have to rush for the phone. Okay. Because there is no other way of, nowadays people don't wear watch. So she has to look at the starting time. What is the starting time now? 8:40. And and now the fire, you have to boil it slowly. You don't have to put on full throttle of the biogas. So you're measuring the biogas properly so that it is not burning very vigorously, because you want milk to boil slowly. And now Mercy will be stirring the milk, because milk, when you are boiling, you have to stir it so that the fat is mixed with the milk. But in this particular case, they are interested in the cream, so they boil it so that the cream can come on top. Okay. Meanwhile, Alice is now washing the dishes. That is multitasking. Okay. Yeah, washing the dishes and waiting for the milk to boil. And Mercy is very busy also looking at the milk and timing. Where is the water? So, and also controlling the fire from the, okay, controlling the fire. All right. So we'll wait for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then we look at the milk that is boiling. So now Mercy is now preparing, and Alice, they are now preparing to remove the milk from the fireplace, because it's now, so they have put off the fire, okay, and they are cooling it. They have already mixed the fat and the milk. Okay, it's a mixing process, but this is what happens in the rural areas, because people don't have a pasteurizer, they don't have electric pasteurizers. Here they have to pasteurize using the local resources, the fireplace, firewood, biogas, and any other source of fire. And they have to use the normal sieve to mix it up and to make sure that it is cooled a bit before they remove it from the fireplace. So they are now busy preparing to remove it, and I think they are waiting a bit to mix a bit in the fireplace, Then from there they will transfer it to a cooling place, okay, where it will cool for a few hours, and then it will be yeah. So they are now transferring it to the place to be cooled.